Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Chaos in Big Brother NAIJA house as Aaron, Maria, Liquorose and Angel end up in a heated fight. 4 days into the 6th season of the Big Brother NAIJA, cracks are starting to show in the relationship between the housemates. Last night, the housemates gathered to play a round of charades as they unwinded when things got heated. Liquorose and Angel got into a massive blowout over charades. Angel had to be restrained physically by Aaron at some point during the exchange as she attempted to have a go at Liquorose. Liquorose did not take things lying down either and gave as much as she was receiving. Later, Maria and Liquorose went to the bathroom where Angel was to try and squash the beef, but that turned chaotic too. Another argument erupted, leaving Maria pleading with the two to not make the game personal. It wasn't just Angel who had a bone to pick with one of the participants of the game of charades. An upset Aaron expressed her feelings about Maria accusing her team of cheating. Maria is an instigator, she said. Aaron and head of house Peace then accompanied Liquorose to Angel's room where the ladies hashed out their differences. After a brief chat, the two hugged it out and apologized to each other. The first task of the season set the stage for this blowout. There has been simmering tension between Angel and Liquorose since Angel told Liquorose to ask for clarity before making insinuations while they were discussing the tax brief in the lounge. Angel had taken offense after Liquorose had apparently misinterpreted her statement about the people who should lead the musical drama. Guys, the Bbnaija show is becoming very interesting. Stay tuned to NAIJA News and Entertainment as I'll be bringing to you more gist from the Bbnaija Shine Your Eye edition. Please subscribe to my channel and stay safe.